Hey everyone, you might think, why the weird hairstyle? Because this episode is about being unlimited, right? So, having a true understanding and belief in yourself that you are truly unlimited is going to enable you to tap into a dimension of your inner and outer world that you never really believed that existed. This in itself is going to blow your mind completely when you realize this. So, some ways that I have found to make myself unlimited is by facing my fears and confronting my fears on a daily basis. This will give you a tremendous amount of courage, okay, and will to push past the barriers that we know are our limits by doing the things you fear most. So you may realize in your life that throughout your lifetime, from a young age, we've all been programmed into the belief of thinking that we have limits in our lives. And this is due to the social stigma that has been placed on us on our true realities. Okay, this has blocked us from realizing our true human potential. And this all stems back from when you're a child, when your parents said to you things and made words and actions to you, like things like, no, you can't do that. You shouldn't do that. You don't understand, you'll hurt yourself when you do that. Okay, all of these things, and then being held back through discipline from your peers, from your parents, from your teachers, stopped you from understanding your natural ability to be unlimited. And every time that you tried to push beyond those barriers of the discipline that was placed on you, it stopped you or prevented you from realizing this true potential inside yourself. Now, don't get me wrong, please, everybody, don't get me wrong. Children definitely need guidance in their lives so that they can think and they can feel the moral and code within inside them to know what is wrong and what is right throughout the course of their lives. Yes, I agree upon this, okay? But it's the boundaries, the limited boundaries that we place on them on a constant basis because of our fears, because of our insecurities, and because of social stigma, which has been passed down through generation from generation, which basically hinders our true human potential, our growth in being unlimited. Okay, now that we realize what I've been saying throughout the course of this video, this is going to enable you, through realizing this, to be able to push past those social stigmas and those social barriers which hold you back from realizing that true unlimited potential within yourself. And know this for a fact, once you know this, okay, it doesn't mean that you go about living your life irresponsibly. It just means that now you have figured out within you what is truly you, who you are, knowing who you are and believing in that you're unlimited and being able to decide what is right and wrong for you to do in your life. And it doesn't really matter if there are rules, regulations, or laws holding you back from doing what you believe is right, as long as you're not harming anyone and you're adhering to your own moral code. This is all that matters. And this is how you're going to push past the barriers of being limited, okay? So have a hard think about what I've said, because there are some things in my life, every day I try and push the barriers of my own reality, okay? And I'll give you a couple of examples. For 17 years, I used Sensodyne toothpaste, okay? I don't use toothpaste anymore. My teeth used to kill me unless I brushed my teeth every morning and every night with Sensodyne. Since I've stopped using toothpaste altogether, which has been for the last 12 months, I haven't had one toothache. Figure that one out, okay? It could be because I have reduced sugar in my life a lot. That could be a reason, okay? But I truly believe there's enough fluoride that they pump into our water systems every day to keep your teeth healthy and strong. And that's all I brush my teeth with now is water, okay? My teeth look clean to you? Okay, here's another one for you. I can go out in the sun for 3 hours on a super hot day, super high UV rated day, and not even get burnt. Okay, no sunscreen. I will admit, any longer than 3 hours, I begin to lose focus on the magnetic field that I portray around myself to block those harmful UV rays from burning my body. Okay, and I will need sunscreen after 3 hours. If I'm going to spend the whole day in the sun, of course I'm going to use some sunscreen because I just haven't figured out the mental focus yet. Okay, for a whole day in the sun. But 3 hours, not a problem, not a burn, not even red. Okay, figure that one out. All right, here's another one for you. 3 to 5 times a week. You might think that I'm crazy telling you this stuff, but this shows how truly unlimited human beings are. Okay, and I'm not special than anyone else. I don't see myself specialer than anyone else. I see myself as the same as everybody else. Everybody has these abilities. Once you reach the level and potential of being unlimited in your life, you'll be able to conduct your life the same way. But I caution you, don't go about trying these things without knowing and believing truly inside yourself that you're unlimited and having the capability to do them, because your beliefs and what you tell yourself, your mantras, are going to allow you to step into the next level of enlightenment. Okay, so the last one was, I forgot to mention this, was for 3 to 5 times a week, I look directly into the sun. All right. Now, everyone has told you throughout your lifetime, don't stare at the sun, you'll go blind. My eyesight has improved since I started doing this. No wild flash, no watery eyes fully open, stare directly at the sun. That's me, not you. I'm not encouraging you to try these things until you're ready. All right. These are stigmas that have been placed upon us in the belief that this is what's going to damage you. This is what you need to survive. This is what you need to live. All this information has been hidden from us for thousands of years. Okay. Jesus was trying to tell people this 2,000 years ago, explaining to them. Okay, and now they've found new scriptures, and the book of Thomas explains exactly what Jesus was actually trying to say to people, not the Bible. All right, and you can go and look at other people online who have ideas about that, but I'm not going to go into religion right now. So, the way I actually look at the sun without getting well flash or burnt, I actually believe within myself that I am made from the same matter as the entire universe. So how can anything in the universe truly harm me when I'm made of the same matter as everything is? All right? Because we're all made of the same electrons and protons that blink in and out of the unified field, the quantum realm. Okay? Heaven, God, whatever you want to call it. We are all made the same. We all have this unlimited potential within ourselves. It's up to you to tap into it. Believe strongly and deep enough within yourself that you were born with this. You were born with these abilities. Okay? Peace and happiness to you. I will see you next time. I really hope this helps you punch through and believe you're unlimited. Bye-bye.